Okay, folks, welcome back to SM10. So today we're going to use the Now 6 AI tool that Chris has released, and we're going to create a company. And we're going to create some users in this company to see how quickly we can do this. This is using vibe coding to make sure that to see if we can actually go through and create an app, create a company with an app with users without having to do it manually. So let's try it here. So we're going to go ahead and create a company. So that's my favorite show. So we're going to create it after that show. So create a new company that's called you're saying like uh, company to the users, and then users is going to be user place. We're going to go ahead and call Jessica. Jessica Pearson here, which is going to be managing this here. We call her managing the I'm sorry, they should actually be managing this here. And then we're going to have Barbie stuff there. Okay, and here is going to be here. Okay, okay. We also need to be managing. And then Lewis Lewis. And he will also be managing here. Let's create a, let's see if we can do Ross. So we like Ross. And he will report reports on associate. And then he reports to. So let's go ahead and try that. So we'll do the create button here. And it's going to open the now it says where it actually starts working in the background and starts creating the app that I want, the company that I want with users. So it's going to use any company called PSL. Yeah, I want the company out to have a list of users. The user list should be just Pearson and the director, inspector. Okay, so we're going to wait for this to do. We say, okay, we're going to create PSL. So while they're working, I'm going to pause the video because it might take a couple of minutes. And we're going to wait until this is created. Here's a folder here, PSL, created here, which is great. Assuming there was really a PSL this instance, so that's probably why it named it as such. So it's going through all the registries, permitting and adding these folks to that list here. So, like I said, this might take a minute. Um, so I'll create your new service application yourself. And start creating a new service application, which is great, because we're going to create it successfully. Now we need to understand uh, Flowing API to create tables and record the story information. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, so now create an employee table, which is great with appropriate field story, great employee information. Okay, it's creating that right now. Okay, so it's going through that. Now let me run that up and check if the files are properly structured. Okay, it's going through that. And yeah, this is pretty much doing everything that we would do manually. So, okay, okay, now I go with another cool one. So it's excellent. The application does successfully. Now let me deploy it. So change the install and then it's safe that it can be tested. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. And employee now it's been created. So the table, the employee table has been created here. It's great. And the records are here as well. Okay. Okay, so the application is being deployed. Okay, great. Manage partner, correct. If I was, fine. It might be it. Let's actually test that. Let's see what was left. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I was able to actually get his name. I spelled his name wrong with purpose to see if it was corrected, and actually it did. They have Lois Lane there, which is perfect. And Mike Ross, so if they click on Bruce, okay. Again, another area that need a purpose here to try to figure out if it would actually set up. So now they deploy, which is perfect. So this is like Drew's relationships on Mike Ross reports to Ruby, and I can permission you press it. Okay. Okay, so now if we go to our instance here, and if we do instance, sorry, let's see. So now it's set up this way. And then, okay, so let's go to the element option here. Actually, let's go here, okay. Which is been, it's been created here. Okay, so now we're in our instance, so let's go ahead and open up Visual Studio to see if it comes up. Which would be interesting. It's opening up. Okay, and then we have PSL1, which is right here. So let's see the formula in there. Okay, let's preview it. Great. Oh, wow. It's pretty cool. It's put him in office in New York, which is great. I mean, this is pretty cool how we were able to determine that I was trying to create from the show, which is great. They did that. And yeah, it's show based in New York. So excellent. Great. And then, yeah, so we want to, so we keep ahead and submit this. And we need to check again. Okay, so we need to do that. So let's actually, let's, yeah, let's open our instance and see if it, actually gets to it. So let me see if it goes to it. Okay, great. So we changed it and it actually comes up in PSL1, which is great. So now we have that. And if we go to all and if we go to users, and then we kind of go to the navigation users, we should see that here on the table. Wow. So we do, this is too hard. And there he is. And there is it. Oh, okay. I think this is from the previous one. Wow. Yeah, it should be set up. So good there. Excellent. Um, yeah, looks like the tool doesn't work. And it's pretty cool that they were finding the actual spelling of the name and also who they report to, and then also the location, which is great. All right. Thanks.